Hello class, we just finished talking about problem 50. I'm gonna go over problem 54. I put the same graph here and the same variables in the formula because that's what we're gonna be using also for problem 54. But right here, I'm asking you a probability or percentage of an x value between two values. So I'm asking the probability for an x that is between 3 and 9. So that's what we're going to do here. That's why I put x1 is going to be for 3, x2 is going to be a 9 value. And right here, if you remember, this is a normal distribution with the mean equals to 6, with already put here, and the standard deviation 2. And here is my formula. Okay, so let's go ahead and calculate the z-score so we can see uh, what standard deviation they will be equivalent so we can get a percentage. So we have to calculate one by one. So let's do x1 first. Okay, let's put 0 z1 so you know you're referring to x1. So let's do equals to my x value. Let me put between parentheses minus my mean right here divided by my standard deviation. So my first z for 3 is a negative 1.5. So it would be about, let me see if I can insert a little line or something to make it easier. So it would be about here, the middle. Okay. Um, oh, it's a little crooked. Still crooked, huh? Okay, let me make it a little thicker. Okay, that's good enough. So it's about over here. And now we're going to calculate the second x value because I want to know between 3 and 9. So we know 1 is right here. So let's do z2 so you know that I'm referring to the second x value. So we're going to do x. So now we're calculating this one right here equals to x minus the same mean divided by the standard deviation. Oh, look at that. We got a 1.5 positive. So 1 is right here, minus 1.5 between here, and then positive 1.5 or above the mean. Remember your mean right here. Okay, it will be your mean right here, 6. And then we're doing 1.5 standard deviation above and 1.5 standard deviation below. And I want the percentage between these values right here. Both z-scores, the minus and the positive. I can even move it higher right here. Now we're going to go to your z table right here. First, let's find your negative side. Your negative side. So remember, you have, I want to see if we can see the whole thing. Okay, right here, and then let me make it smaller over here. So right there, you have a minus 1.5 and then no more digits. So you're actually using the header for 0. So right here, so it's a full minus 1.5. Your value is 0.0668. Is that correct? 0.0668. Be very careful. This is not 66%. This is 6%. We're going to go to the positive side of the table, which is underneath it, right here. And remember, you have a whole value. You don't have any digits after, so we're keeping on the 0 header, and then your value is 0.9332. 0.9332. So it's saying that all this over here is 0.9332. And it's telling you that this over here is the 6%. Okay, so The way we're gonna do this is we just wanted this interval right here between a minus and the positive 1.5. Therefore, you have to subtract everything else. So everything else that will come after that or below that, we don't need it. We just need that interval. So what do? We're gonna do equals your 93% minus the 6%. And you're gonna have that this portion right here, it's about 80%. Actually, it's 86.64, which I said if you would get anything way different than 80%, you would be incorrect. Okay, and that's how you would solve problem 54. Again, I found the percentage or the equivalence of the negative side, which was about 7%, and then I found the positive side, which was a 93%, about 93. And then you just wanted this interval right here. So you're subtracting the 7% from the 93% to get an 86.64. And that would be, um, so let's put it in a way, the correct way, which would be the probability that x is in between 3 and 9 is equals to 86.64%. And I'm gonna actually, maybe I can just jump to problem 60 because it's simple to answer. And then tomorrow I'm going to be looking at the other problems. On problem 60, it says use the following information to answer the next two exercises. I'm just asking you for problem 60. The patient recovery time from a particular surgical procedure is normally distribution, so the curve with a mean, so is equals to 5.3, and then your standard deviation, it's gonna be a 2.1. Okay, so it's asking you what is the median recovery time. If you do refer to your textbook, which I can open right here, the mean is the same as the median because the graph is symmetric about the mean. So if the mean is the same as the median, what is the median recovery time? If your mean is 5.3, your answer right here, your median is gonna be also 5.3. Median have the same values, which I corrected here. It was saying wrong. And here we go. That's your answer, and you would be done with problem 60. And that's all for tonight. Thank you.